Hello, my friends. Welcome to our first year portal lessons. I am very happy to see you here, and together we will start learning one of the most popular automation engineering platform in the world, Siemens Tier Portal. Before we begin, I would like to mention something important. Many students ask me, what can I do if I don't have Tier Portal software? And or my computer is too weak to run the tier portal, Semantic Manager, or Yokogawa software. My friends, if you don't have the required software, if you only have a laptop, a tablet, or if your PC does not have enough resources to install and run these engineering tools, you can visit our website and write request about software on which you want to work as co.kz, and here you write your name, your email, phone is the optional. We have the English language also, English version of our website, web page, and here you write your message, and after you send message to our engineer, will provide the access to our virtual machine where you can work remotely from your home, from the work, with a professional engineering software, including the Siemens TIA portal, Siemens Semantic Manager, and Yokogawa Century VP, and other industrial software. And we will provide you information about available packages, software option, and pricing. So, my friends, before we start working with the tier portal, I would like to spend some time talking about the main parts of PLC. And the reason is very simple. Many people see a PLC for the first time, or like me, when I saw the PLC first time, immediately think it's look complicated, or maybe you already know some theory, but you are afraid to approach the PLC because you have never worked with one in real life. And to be honest, I was exactly the same when I started my career. I knew the theory, I read manuals, and I understand the basic concept. But when I stood in front of the real PLC cabinet for the first time, I was afraid to touch anything because I did not want to make a mistake. And the good news that the PLC is much simpler than its look. And firstly, let's start from the PLC hardware. Firstly, when you, especially we work in this course, we work with the Simatic S7-1200. This part of our PLC is for the power supply. Here we have the 8 digital inputs, and also here we have the digital input indicators, and it's belong to our digital input, and this part is belong to our digital output. And here we have the digital output relay, and as I said before, this is the digital output indicator. When, for example, the digital output one is activated, this indicator indicates you that this output is run now. And here, my friends, this is the status of our PLC. Let's write it like this. I think it will be better for you and me. It, and here we have my favorite programs. This is a power, my friends. This is power. Let's do it right. This, I think, will be better. This is the power. This side is the digital input. Digital input. And this side is the digital input. Let's write it like DI digital indicator, and this part is the digital output. Digital output. And this one is digital output indicator. And here we have the statuses of our PLC. Status of PLC. And next, our picture is about what we talked before. It's our power supply to 220 volts, from the 120 to 240 volts AC. It's our output. We will talk about L plus and M minus in our next videos. And also, my friend, this course is most practical courses. But before, I want to explain some basement about the PLC. It's our digital inputs part, and this is analog input part of our PLC. And here you can connect the memory card. It's the memory slot of our PLC. And the bottom side of our PLC, it's a communication status indicator from here, and LAN interface, and digital output that we talked before. And my friends, that's all for today. I hope this lesson helped you better understand what's PLC. And in the next lesson, we step by step go from our theoretical part to our practical part. But before, I want to explain you how the PLC works and what is the PLC. And I would like to wish you all of you good luck, success, and good health. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lesson.